Oh yeah.
I gotta stream something. This is actually my 4th time doing like this. I've done like protein pancakes. I did mocktails with like pre-workout and stuff. So it's actually really fun because then you get to talk to everybody at the gym. And then you just give away free food, so it's like whatever. Hello. Are you here for tacos?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, I heard you. Dude, I heard you learned. Not you learned. I heard you won your last fight. You got another belt.
There's another title. Yeah.
Dude, how many belts have you won at this point?
3.
3? Are you pro yet?
Not yet. Hopefully soon.
Okay, there you go. How many tacos did you want?
I think 2.
2? Okay. Let me cut these so I can throw some lines down for everybody. There we go. And this is like, these are 97.3, so they are pretty lean. So depending on if anybody's like cutting weight or anything like that.
Some of those guys down the yard.
Yeah, I figured they look like they're miserable.
I'm good now.
I'm just kind of, what's the word, like measuring with my heart. There you go. If you hate them, please tell me.
No, that is really good.
I have to guilt everybody big time. So chat, how's the audio?
I was literally about to ask you things.
How is it? Some people are a little bit more soft-spoken. But if we need to do shotgun now that there's not any...
I switched to shotgun.
Oh, you switched to shotgun?
Yeah.
Oh, audio's good.
I was trying to mess with it a little bit, but I mean, it seems like they're good. There's no complaining. So.
Oh, it's decent. We good.
Right.
Yay!
Yeah, that's why I was a little shaky because I was trying to fix it.
Someone said 80-10 is the best. What's the other 10? Oh yeah, go ahead. It's like the most ghetto trash can ever. I'll probably like open it for everybody.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, girl. So much noise. The background fan is kind of loud, but it's fine.
Okay, so that's what I was gonna say.
I can turn it. I can turn that fan off. I can just suffer and die.
Is it just the fan? Like, how's the audio of people? Is Julia peaking? Yeah, it's funny though, because I think the only times it peaked was through you.
Was me when I'm yelling?
Yeah, but I never went through what's the... Like, I didn't want to test while they were talking.
The fan is a vibe. It kind of reminds you of a taco shop. Because they always have like ginormous fans blowing around because it's always 5 million degrees.
Yeah, I'm going to test something out.
Okay.
Talk?
Talk.
Okay, so that's not it. Because I never went over what... I think this makes it longer, so hold on, let me test.
Hi, Julia.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Talk?
Talk.
How does that sound, chat?
How does that sound? Molly.
I think that's lower, but it makes it... No, it doesn't peak. There we go.
Molly.
There we go.
Okay, I'm going to put these limes at the end. And I'm going to put the tomatoes at the end. I'm trying to go in order of like what I think people would, what toppings people would grab. Okay. And then cilantro. And then onions can be the very, very last. It's fuck onions, honestly. If I don't get to the onions, whatever. We don't care. Julia needs to cool off better. Okay, W Philly. Ugh. All right, so we got some good customers. I wish I had a customer counter. I had the 2 kids. I had the 2 guys.
Yeah.
I had Tavo, which was the guy that won the belt. Dude has won 3 belts in his amateur career. I would just retire if I were him. So, all right. And then I guess me and you can try some tacos too. Okay, I kind of overcooked these tacos so they're a little bit, I gotta cook them less. I mean, warm them up because we're not cooking anything here. Okay, you want to try one, Philly?
Yes.
What toppings do you like?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah, I'm like one of those dudes.
Wait, let me cut up some cilantro then first. Because I want some guac.
Oh, and there's sour cream. Oh,
Here we go. Do you have, chat, do any of you guys have the gene where you eat cilantro and it tastes like soap?
What?
I don't have that gene. My mom does though.
Wait, could I try it?
You've never tried cilantro?
No, but like I never thought to think it was soap.
Yeah, does this taste like soap to you? It'll taste like a herb or it'll taste like dish soap.
No, it tastes like a herb.
An herb?
Tastes amazing. Dude,
Yeah,
wait,
fuck
what?
No, I hate. Yeah, it's like a specific.
Wait, I think I taste a
gene.
little soap.
Are you like?
I don't know. It just tastes like a
Placebo
herb, but
effect?
yeah, it's definitely placebo.
Hey.
Gas, I ain't gonna lie.
What'd you say?
That shit was fire.
You liked it?
Yeah,
I haven't tried one yet. You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long are you posting up there for?
I'll be here for a few hours.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be working today?
No. Not here.
Oh, are you off on the? Oh, are you going to Big Tex?
No. Other job.
What the fuck are you? How many jobs do you have? Just doing whatever?
No, I just work at both the gyms and then my restaurant job.
I would ask what restaurant, but don't say it.
Yeah.
Don't say it, because people might call you later. And they'll be like, oh my god, can I speak to Cash, Cookie Bear?
Like call bomb Friday.
Cash MMA.
Misty! How was your birthday?
Miss Misty.
It was her birthday yesterday.
Was it actually?
Yeah.
Happy. Well, she's having a moment. Having a moment. Okay, there we go. Happy birthday!
Hey, this little kid loves tacos? Fuck you.
You can't let them get to you. They only say things. We're doing a little taco bar. Did you want any?
I would love one.
Yeah. Do you want one or two?
One. It was really fun.
Yeah, what'd you do on your
Very
birthday?
well. I went to a show at the Concourse on Thursday, and then we had like a little movie night last night with pizza and cake and 1970s psychological thriller.
Okay.
Playing the Steve Warney. Because everybody's always referenced to that movie. I was like, what is this? I never watched it.
Wait, which one?
A movie called Play the Steve Warney from like the 70s.
Oh, okay, okay. Everyone is talking about like Odyssey right now, and I'm like, it's a really long movie, and I don't want to go sit in a movie theater for 3 hours.
Yeah.
So there's that.
Have you seen Obsession?
No, dude, I missed it. I didn't get to see
I've
it.
heard a lot. Everyone says it's good.
It's like everything.
Yeah.
It actually is really good.
Okay, Missy's getting her
I think
taco
this
first. Sorry,
movie
Kat.
that we watched was like kind of similar from what I heard.
Hey, slide me two of them.
2 of them?
Yeah, can I
Okay.
see?
What is this? Beef?
Yeah, it's 97.3.
It's horse meat.
Honestly, let me heat up some more. These are like a little bit overcooked. They're a little overdone. Those are my tester tacos, and that just means I can hold Cash like hostage for like a few more minutes. Yes, everything is low fat, just in case you're trying to, you know, watch the figure or make gains. I don't know. I don't like to assume.
A little of both.
A little bit of both.
What's that?
Cotija.
What's that?
Tortilla.
That's like the good cheese that they put on like real tacos. And then you got the white grilled cheese, the Mexican one.
I got a little of both. Lime makes everything
And
better.
homemade guacamole and salsa that I make from HEB.
What are you going to Oklahoma for?
My parents, my Meemaw lives up there, so we're gonna go visit because my parents live overseas, and so my mom is